Hello everyone and welcome back to Easy English with Mano. Today in this lesson I am going to share with you two basic rules how a singular noun can be changed to plural by learning some basic rules. So if you are here with more interest to learn what a singular noun and how can we change that singular noun to plural by learning some basic rules, then this is the video just for you. If you are interested, please continue watching. So my dear all, here in this lecture, the first rule that I would like to share with you is for nouns that end with consonant plus y, the plurals are formed by replacing y with is. This is the basic rule with a singular noun that ends with consonant plus y combination, then that will have to just replace that y with is. In order to make this concept very clear, let's have some examples here. Lady. Ladies. She is a beautiful lady. Some ladies are talking outside. Baby. Babies. This baby is very cute. Babies like to drink milk. Family. Families. I love my family. Our families are very important. Dictionary. Dictionaries. I have an Oxford English dictionary. There are several dictionaries with me. Party. Parties. I love to enjoy birthday party. I love parties because that makes me more joyful and happy. Okay, so these are some of the basic examples, and you can find yourself many examples of singular nouns that ends with consonant plus y combination and how that can be changed to plural by replacing y with is. So here, this is the first rule that I have discussed with you. Hope it's very clear to all of you. Okay? And I have given some sentences also that hopefully will help you to make into your practical English conversation. Okay, and what you want to do as a homework that I always tell you is that you will have to do some homework that makes sentences. So if you are a language learner, then you will have to try to make sentences, of course, in your head, and you will have to try out to speak and try out to write in your diaries. Okay, and that will help you to just imagine the situation and use those words in proper situations. Okay, so let's come to the second rule of today's lecture, especially singular noun and plural noun. Something that is very important in English grammar, because as a language learner, you know that it's very important to learn some basic English grammar. It's not very hard to learn. It's something very fun to learn, of course. If you are interested, then you can do anything. Okay, so let's discuss on the second rule, that is for nouns that end in vowel plus y, the plurals are formed by adding s at the end of singular noun. To make this concept very clear, let's have some examples. Monkey, monkeys. Key, keys. And what you want to do is that you'll just comment below to make this word into sentences. So it will help you just try out your way to make these words into sentences, and it will definitely help you to improve your speaking and of course your thinking skill also. Okay, once you start learning English, you will have to just of course focus on the fluency and how a word is pronounced in a clear way, and of course you'll have to learn some basic rules also. And if you really like this lesson, then please don't forget to like, and if you want to get more lessons related to English grammar and fluency and spoken English, then please don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any latest videos whenever I upload. Thank you for watching.